Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. In today's video, I am showing you guys how to make the perfect seasoned fries. These are better than Checkers, okay? So if you want to see how it's done, keep on watching. Also, hit the video with a thumbs up if you enjoyed the recipe. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. I upload every day so you don't miss them. And without further ado, let's make it. Okay guys, let's begin. By the way, you guys do know I have a bunch of chicken wings recipes, so I had to come with this recipe for you guys so you can have option, So I am starting with 2 russet potatoes, and I am using my potato peeler to peel it, as you guys can see. Now also, if you're going to eat the skin of your potatoes, be sure to give the potato a really good wash because there is dirt on the potato. Once you're done, we're going to cut each side of the potato. Well, I am, because I want the potato to be very unique and uniform. I don't want to have some of them bigger than other, so I am going to cut the end of it. Some of you guys might say, oh, you're wasting the potato, but it's just for presentation. Once you're done with that, we're going to slice the potato right in the middle. We're going to slice it about 1/2 inch thick, and then I'll go back and cut them right in the middle. You see how the size looks, so I am going to cut them right in the middle as well. Like this little tiny piece, I am not going to use it because I want my potatoes to cook exactly at the same time. I try my best at least to cut them exactly the same size so they can cook at the same time. Once you are finished cutting all of your potatoes, we're going to wash the potato to remove the starch, okay? I wash mine about 3 times. Once I am done washing it, of course, I give it another wash and then another wash. Once you're done washing your potatoes, we're going to put it on a napkin to dry it up a little bit, or a lot of it, because you do not want to burn yourself while you're frying these. They're going to start splashing and you don't want that, do you? Now we're going to add them into the fryer. The link for this fryer, I know a lot of you guys asked for it. It will be down below, so check that out because this fryer is very helpful. Now I am going to add my potatoes in there slowly. Put the potato in the oil just like so. We're going to fry it for exactly 4 minutes. Once it is done frying, we're going to remove it and put it on parchment paper or anything where it's not going to stick on. Make sure you give them space and don't put them on top of each other so they don't stick once you're ready to cook them, okay, or fry them. So this is how they look. We're going to pop them in the freezer for 2 hours. While that is in the freezer, or it's done by now. It's editing, you guys, so but make sure you put it in the freezer for exactly 2 hours. Then we'll make the batter. Of course, the ingredients will be down in the description box. Check it out. I use flour, mustard, dry mustard, paprika, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and what else? Cayenne pepper. Like I said, the ingredients will be in the description box. Be sure to check it out. Now I am adding my water. Give it a quick mix. Now make sure your batter is not too thick and not too loose, okay? Like I said, the measurement will be in the description box, so check that out so you can see how much water to put in it. By now, your French fries should be nice and ready, and cold. They will be very hard because they were in the freezer. We're going to add it into the batter, then we're going to fry it. Okay, now I am going to fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes, or if you want it to be super extremely crispy, you can leave it longer. Once they're nice and golden brown and crispy looking, I am just going to pull them out of the grease. Okay, now I am going to fry them into small batches because I don't like them sticking together. I noticed they were sticking together, so I fry them little by little which is weird. Once they're done, you guys, they should be very nice and crispy and super crunchy. It's just so good, so good, and you will never go to Checkers again. Or if you want to save some time, you can go to Checkers, but these are, if you have potatoes, I'm pretty sure you have all of the other ingredients. Seasoning you want to add, you can make Cajun French fries, you can make Parmesan, you can make whatever you want basically. Or if you don't want to leave the house, you have the potatoes in the house. Basically, once they're done, you guys, this is how they look, so nice and crispy, and they're so good, so good. You can't tell me this is not restaurant style French fries, honey. Okay, once they're done, this is it. I am going to decorate it really quickly, give you guys a little presentation on how it should look. I just love French fries when they hot. Okay, I cannot eat cold French fries. I cannot eat French fries with cold ketchup either. Okay, this is it. Let me know down below if you're going to try this recipe, or if you tried it, come back to this video, leave a comment, let me know how you like it. This is it, and this is me trying it for you guys, of course. Hopefully you enjoy it. Do not forget to slap the thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new here for the first time. I do upload every day, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.